over last year, we observed the situation when the health condition affects everyone, from west to east, from north to south. Whole humanity is suffering for the same condition. And it doesn't matter if we believe in it or not. The fact is that we pay the consequences of it. Can we heal? Can we help? Many healers ask me, because of course healers will talk to each other and exchange the ideas, how we dowsers can help. Well, if we look back in time, in ancient Egypt, people believed in something what was called netters, which means those who can bring something or fish for something in the universe and kind of take it on the net and bring it closer to us. Today we have the same concept, but in this virtual world we live in, we talk about matrix. Matrix, like kind of a blueprint of the universe, which we again can affect if we know how. However, the history of Egypt, ancient Egypt, its mysterious and amazing achievements are tinted by the new spread information about real past of the Egypt, deep and dark past, connected with other civilizations and so on, and influence on the earth. So we kind of try to distance ourselves from all of this, what we were learning in time. However, we can also approach it differently. We can extract the knowledge from the kind of background and influences and use this knowledge to our advantage. We can turn what was used for disadvantage of humanity into our advantage. Well, one of those things which we can use this way are energies which were used then, and then in the 20th century they were brought to Europe and then to North America. They are called three sacred energies, but one of them is most interested to us today. And this is frequency of gold. In three sacred energies, we also have negative green, and we also have ultraviolet. If we want to help whole humanity, we dowsers, then we can use the pendulum, and the best would be to use pendulums which radiate golden light, just because it's the highest vibration known today. So we can use, for example, golden hue. We can use Super Isis 16, or we can use Atlantis pendulum. Depending what you have or you want to have, and which shape you like, what attracts you, because that will show how close you are connected with the shape and how useful it will be in your life. So how to proceed is relatively simple. We can take a pendulum and find the wavelength of humanity, whole humanity. So when I will say, show me the wavelength of human race, show me the wavelength of human race, show me the wavelength of human race, it's here. If it's too short, I can double it and then have longer string to send more energy, or see see more how energy is flowing. So if I'm on the frequency of humanity, I can simply say, please send 3 sacred energies to the humanity at large, and supply them, or each of us, with those frequencies to the highest possible level for our common good, so we will be happy, healthy, and joyful. Work together, be together, love each other, respect each other, trust each other. And you just simply wait until the pendulum will stop. And then, when it stops, you just ask or say, this session has been finished successfully. And it says yes, my yes is clockwise direction. We can repeat those sendings of energy to whole humanity as often as we want, daily, weekly, whenever. When people ask me, so when? I can tell you only this: whenever you think about it. When this thought comes to your mind, I should do that, or maybe I will do that, or I didn't do it for a long time, that's the time to do that. It can be 5 times per day, or it can be once a week. It depends how much time you have and how important it is, generally speaking, to you. There is nothing wrong if you are not interested in it, but if you are, use those 3 energies which are in every pendulum which radiates golden light, and help. Let's help each other. We can do it, and we can be successful. So join us in the sending energy to everyone, so we can be all happy, healthy, and enormously prosperous. If you are interested, join us by subscribing to our channel. You can also visit us on Facebook, and of course on our website, intuitivedowsing.com.